As fathers, we often look for meaningful ways to connect with our children, and family camping trips provide just that perfect opportunity. Not only do they offer a great environment for quality bonding time, but they also present a unique platform for learning. When you think about it, the tasks involved in camping present numerous ways to involve math in a fun and playful manner. This ensures that learning is not just confined to the classroom, but is an inclusive and exciting part of your child's life. Let's start with the basics. Setting up camp. This task is rich in mathematical opportunities. For example, when you're determining the best spot to pitch a tent, you can involve your children in measuring distances and calculating the area needed to ensure your setup is safe and comfortable. Ask them questions like, how much space do we need between the tent and the fire? Or, what's the best way to align our tent for maximum comfort? These activities engage their minds in spatial reasoning and measurement, all while introducing key geometric concepts in a real-world setting. Next, let's talk about cooking over a campfire, an activity that every kid loves. This can be the perfect time to explore measurements and ratios. While preparing a simple recipe, you can ask your kids to measure ingredients, helping them understand volumes and weights. You can even take this further by asking them to double or halve a recipe, which introduces fractions and multiplication in a very tangible way. It's not only educational, but exceedingly tasty. Navigation is another integral part of any camping trip. Using maps and compasses is a fantastic way to teach concepts of geometry and spatial awareness. Show your children how to calculate distances between points on a map or navigate a trail using a compass. Discuss angles and provide them with the challenge to lead the group towards a destination. This instills confidence and builds mathematical reasoning skills that extend beyond the campsite. And why not create some fun mathematical challenges related to nature? You can invite your kids to count animals, estimate distances by sight, or even calculate the height of trees using a triangular method. These activities are not only engaging, but also encourage observation and estimation, crucial skills for developing mathematical thinking. Collaboration is key, and camping trips are a great way to encourage teamwork through math-related games and puzzles. Create scavenger hunts with mathematical clues, or organize a number-based relay game. These not only promote cooperation, but also make math fun and social, demystifying its complexities for young minds. It's important to frame these activities as playful rather than academic. The aim is to integrate learning into your adventures naturally. By presenting math as a tool to explore and understand the world, you're helping your kids to embrace it as a lifelong skill. Encourage them to take initiative and share their own ideas for integrating math into your expedition. Their creativity can often surprise you. To all the fathers listening, I encourage you to share your own experiences and challenges with integrating math into outdoor settings. Send us your stories, and who knows, they might inspire others to try new things. Remember, each camping trip is an opportunity to strengthen the bond between you and your children, all while opening their eyes to the beauty of mathematics in nature. As we wrap up today's episode, I hope you feel inspired to turn your next family outing into a math adventure. We've covered how setting up camp, cooking, navigating, and even interacting with nature can become powerful avenues for learning and bonding. Remember, the goal is to make learning joyful and memorable, leaving you all with sweet memories and new skills. Thank you for joining me on Bonding Through Numbers. Until next time, happy camping and happy bonding. If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bonding Through Education.